Toyota Prius C repairs and service. Toyota Motor Corporation is a Japanese multinational automotive manufacturer headquartered in Toyota City, Aichi, Japan. It was founded by Kiichiro Toyoda and incorporated on August 28, 1937. Toyota is one of the largest automobile manufacturers in the world, producing about 10 million vehicles per year. The 2019 Toyota Prius C is a compact hybrid hatchback known for its excellent fuel efficiency, compact size, and affordability. It's part of the Prius family and is a popular choice for eco-conscious drivers and city commuting. Here are some key features and specifications of the 2019 Toyota Prius Century. When it comes to servicing your Toyota Prius C, following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule is crucial to ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your vehicle. Here are general guidelines for Prius C service, but always refer to your specific model's owner's manual for accurate information. Oil changes. Follow the recommended intervals for oil changes. The Prius C typically uses a hybrid synergy drive system that may require less frequent oil changes than traditional vehicles. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top up essential fluids, including coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid. Tire maintenance. Rotate the tires regularly to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure, alignment, and tread depth according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Brake system. Regularly inspect the brake system, including brake pads, discs, and fluid levels. Replace brake components as needed. Battery inspection. The Prius C has a hybrid battery. While the hybrid battery is designed to last a long time, it's essential to have it inspected during regular service intervals. Air filter. Replace the engine air filter at regular intervals to maintain proper airflow to the engine. Major services. Follow the major service intervals outlined in the owner's manual. These services often include comprehensive inspections, fluid changes, and component checks. Hybrid system inspection. The Prius C's hybrid system is a critical component. Have the hybrid system inspected by a qualified technician to ensure it is functioning correctly. Spark plugs. Depending on your Prius C model, spark plugs may need replacement at specific intervals. Check the owner's manual for details. Battery cooling system. The hybrid battery has a cooling system. Ensure that the cooling system is functioning properly to prevent overheating of the battery. Inverter coolant. The inverter may have its coolant system. Check and maintain the coolant levels as recommended. Authorized service centers. Take your Prius C to authorized Toyota service centers for maintenance and repairs. Authorized technicians are trained to work on hybrid vehicles and have access to the latest technical information. Service records. Keep detailed records of all services and repairs performed on your Prius C. This documentation can be helpful for warranty purposes and potential future resale. Always consult your specific model's owner's manual for the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding service intervals and recommendations. If you have specific questions or concerns about your Prius C, consider contacting a Toyota dealership for assistance.